All right, we have the Ronin and Harley-Quinn litter. They're 11 days old. Oh yeah. Oh, we got some hefty chunks. This is a dark sable female. Hi. Look at your face, you're so cute. Oh, your eyes is open? Look at that. Good job, Mama. Oh, we've... Okay. Right. Yeah, that's right. Yep. A big chunk. And then we have a medium sable boy. Hi. This is a nice Czech with old DDR and German lines. Okay. Ew, big-headed guy, huh? All right. And then we got another dark sable boy. Hi, bud. What you doing? Are your eyes open yet? Not yet? Oh, big sleepies, huh?
Chill dude.
Pretty chill dude. Lots of dynamic, really dark sables. Possibly black sables, but that's not unheard of based on the parents. They're both very dark. And the third dark sable boy, well, somebody just pooped on a clean towel. Hi, buddy. Well, he's got cool little eye. He's gonna have eye circles. You can see that silver ring on his eye. Hi, Anthem. I know. And then we got the lighter sable female. You can see she's got really nice coat. She's got the silver gray fuzz underneath. She does have a little white patch on her chest. And even on her hindquarters, you can see the cool dynamic markings. Hi, sister. All right, chill. Easy going. Oh, we all just pooping in the sun? Is that what we're doing? And then the last brother. Another nice dark sable. Looks like he could have a slightly longer coat based on the fur on his ears. Oh, look at those ears. I love when the ears start coming apart. Really dark coat. Even the dark underside. His belly and his paws are all very dark. Hi, you guys is dark. And we're 11 days old, and we will be ready to go home like the 2nd or 3rd week of December. Huh, I know, everybody. Are you looking for food? You're so sweet.